In this video, I'll show you how to install Android Studio on Windows 10 or 11, so give this video a thumbs up, grab your PC, and let's get started. First, open your web browser. Go to Google, type Android Studio, and press enter. Now click on the first link. This will take you to the official website. On the homepage, you'll see the Download Android Studio button. Click on it. Accept the terms and conditions, then click Download. And the setup file will start downloading. The file size is around 1 GB, so wait for it to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, right-click on the setup file and click Open to start the installation. The setup window will appear. Click Next. Now you'll see the Components section. By default, both Android Studio and the Android Virtual Device are selected. Leave everything as it is and click Next. Next, you'll see the installation location. You can change it if you want, but I will recommend to keep the default location and click Next. Now click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is finished, click Next, then click Finish. Android Studio will launch automatically. If it doesn't open, you can also search for it from the Start menu. Now the setup wizard will start. Click Next. For install type, choose Standard, then click Next. You'll now see the components that will be installed, including the Android SDK, Emulator, and required drivers. Click Next. Accept the license agreement. Now Android Studio will start downloading the required files like the SDK and Emulator. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once everything is downloaded and installed, click Finish. And that's it. You have successfully installed Android Studio on your Windows PC. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.